Hi everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. Today I have a Misfits box and it's in disguise as a FedEx box, but I promise you, this came from Misfits. So we're gonna unbox it and see what's inside. Wow. This is a big box. These are exciting. These are some huge organic spring onions. Wow. This is awesome. They smell so springy. It's spring. These are amazing. I love them. And some really nice, oh, well, it was nice looking celery. Maybe not. At first glance, this looked like nice celery, but now not so much. It's a little chewed up. That's unfortunate. I mean, it looks like it's been attacked by my cat. What do you think of this, guys? Wow, okay, that's interesting. Got a lot of stuff in boxes. Let's see what we've got. Some Roma tomatoes. These look okay. Those look good. And these boxes are compostable, which is nice. This is a huge box of stuff. Some more Roma tomatoes. Looks like I'm going to be sharing these with my neighbor. And it looks like we have some more tomatoes. I remember ordering all these tomatoes. Well, that's kind of silly. It's one tomato in a box. Okay. I don't remember all these tomatoes. I'm going to have to stay till the end because I'm going to check the receipt and make sure I got everything because, as you know, that doesn't always happen. Oh, some peaches. Yay, peaches. These are nice and firm. That's good. What is this? No, more peaches. Okay. And this one lowly beefsteak tomato. I almost said potato. I'm losing limes. Looks like we got 4 limes here. They're a little discolored and they're not uniform in size. These look like key limes because they're nice and small. And this is a large one, but I mean, they're limes. They'll taste like limes, I'm sure. Oh, we do have another tomato. Another tomato. And for some reason, bread and spinach on the bottom of the box, because isn't that where you would put your spinach if you were packing the box? And then we've got some of the take and bake Rosemary bread, and this is 5 simple ingredients. It is organic, non-GMO. The ingredients are organic wheat flour, water, organic durum flour, sea salt, and organic rosemary. And we really like this stuff. And I'm trying to stock up on it while they have it, because you know with Misfits, you never know if they're going to have it again. What is this? They're wrapping stuff. We got the avocado oil mayo that I had ordered last time and didn't get, so that's good. This is Chosen Foods, and this is a really good quality mayo. It's made with avocado oil, filtered water, egg yolks, organic whole eggs, organic distilled white vinegar, organic mustard, and obviously it contains eggs. So I had ordered this last time and didn't get it, but this time I got it. And I think because I didn't get it last time, this time I put 2 on the order. So we'll see if we have 2. All right. What is this? Oh, wow. This is heavy. This is 2 pounds of muesli, and I love this stuff. I've got some potatoes in this hand. We'll figure out what those are in a minute. This is no sugar added. And let's see. Plant-based, whole grains, blah, blah, blah. Guys, so it doesn't really matter what it says on the front of the package. I mean, it says no sugar added, all natural, non-GMO, which is good. It has the whole 50 plus label, and I have a video coming out about food labels, and it might be up when this posts, I'm not sure. It explains a little bit about that whole grain 50 plus label, but really you gotta look on the nutrition facts panel, because it doesn't matter what it says on the front. The front is designed to sell you the package. What's back here? We've got no added sugars, and they're allowed to say no if there's a little bit of added sugar. Whole grain rolled oats, whole grain wheat flakes, fruit flakes. What are fruit flakes? Date pulp, apples, raisins, roasted hazelnuts, wheat germ, roasted almonds. So obviously I would prefer that this is organic, but here's the thing, it's made in Switzerland. And in the EU, they don't have as many issues with pesticides because their laws are a little stricter over in Europe about what pesticides you can use. So I'm not as put off by this as I would be if it were an American product. So I'm okay with this. And this was, I mean, this is 2 pounds of muesli. And I don't think it was very much. I forget how much it was, but I'll put, again, stay till the end because I'm going to put the receipt up at the end and we'll go over the receipt. We've got some spring mix, and this was not put at the bottom of the package. We got some pink Himalayan sea salt in a grinder. Now I know I don't need this because I got these Peugeot grinders that I've talked to you guys about before, but it was a good deal, so I got it anyway. It's a good deal for sea salt, so that's why I picked this up. But I do prefer to use these grinders because I love them. And I'll put a link to them in the description down below too. We have a red onion. This is actually a really nice looking onion. Some lemons. This one's got a little weird marking on it. I don't know if you can see that or not. And these lemons do start with the number 9. We had lemons from Worthy Flavors last week that did not start with the number 9 and started with the number 4. And I don't know what that was about. So, but these are organic. We have some Yukon Gold potatoes here. These are nice sized potatoes. I just used all my potatoes the other night, so that's good. Some Brussels sprouts. These look nice. This is a pound of Brussels sprouts. A fennel, which looks pretty good. And I've ordered this before from Misfits. They've had it in Marketplace a couple times, and it's the I'm going to say this wrong. I don't speak Spanish. Carnitas? Am I saying that right? If you speak Spanish, leave me a comment down below. Let me know. Carnitas, a slow cook sauce for pork. And I've ordered this before and we didn't get it, but now we have it. So I'm happy. I'm really happy about that. And we got the other mayo. And last week, if you remember, or last time, because it wasn't last week, it was 2 weeks ago, I had gotten some chips and some honey. So we got the other one. That's good. But it was a really good price. Again, I forget what it was, but I will put it up on the screen and we'll talk about it at the end. I can't do everything all at once, despite what I think I can do. I have to remind myself, it's okay not to do everything at the same time. Another Yukon Gold potato. Another nice big red onion. These are really nice. Another lemon with the number 9. Some broccolini, and I think this was supposed to be purple broccolini. So it looks like I got one purple and one not purple, and they were both supposed to be purple, I think, but we'll check. And this was marketplace items. Now, I know I did not order the curly leaf parsley because you guys know I don't like curly leaf parsley. Pretty sure that I had ordered regular parsley, so we're going to have to look at that and see. Thinking accuracy has been going down a little bit. Looks like we got some green beans here. Let's see. Yep. They look good. We love green beans. And Ashlyn and Cece like to throw the green beans around the house. They play with them. More green beans. Then we've got some loose carrots. That's interesting. Just kind of thrown in there. Loose carrots. Snow peas. And these are Del Cabo, product of Mexico. Oh, look, we have even more curly organic parsley. Don't know why they sent me the curly kind. Unless maybe, of course, it's possible I ordered the wrong thing. But I don't think so. But we're going to find out. And another, the Rosemary Bread. We love this stuff. And if you're not familiar with it, this is shelf stable. And this is good until August 27th of this year. So I'm going to put it right in my messy pantry with the other loaves so that we always have bread that we can just stick in the oven and bake up fresh. Well, sort of fresh. It tastes fresh. Some romaine. The outer leaves are looking a little sad. And it's not as impressive as the romaine we got last time. You remember that? Last time I got those giant, huge leaves of romaine. That was awesome. This is not quite as impressive as that. Some thyme. Some rosemary. Another carrot. And some more potatoes. And these look like russet potatoes. So we've got 4 russets and was that 4 of the what looked to be Yukon Gold? Okay. So now I'm going to show you what this looks like. And then we're going to go over my receipt. Because I think I got everything out of it. Yeah. So this is what we've got. We've got the peaches, the Roma tomatoes, more Roma tomatoes, beefsteak tomatoes, the muesli, and all of these vegetables that are overflowing my sink. It's pretty impressive. So now let's take a look at the receipt and see what happened here. Okay, so my confirmed order was for the Roma tomatoes, yellow potatoes, russet potatoes, flat leaf parsley. Why do I keep getting curly leaf parsley, Misfits? I don't want curly leaf parsley. I ordered flat leaf parsley. At least I know it's not me and I'm not crazy. But like this is the second time. And they had both flat leaf and curly leaf, and I opted to get the flat leaf. So I would appreciate getting the flat leaf. Red onion celery, that really sad celery. Oh my goodness. Purple heart plums. We did not get those. That must be why we got the beefsteak tomato, because there's no plums here. And there's no beefsteak tomatoes on my order. Yellow peaches, which we did get. Lemons, fennel, loose orange carrots, limes, green beans. And then organic red spring onion we got. We were supposed to get 2 purple broccolini. We only got 1. The other one was green broccolini, regular broccolini. The Brussels sprouts we got, the thyme we got, the rosemary we got. Spring mix we got, the baby spinach we got. Remember, that was at the bottom of the box, all smushed. The Himalayan sea salt we got. The muesli we got. The slow cooker sauce we got. The 2 avocado mayonnaise we got. And they were 2 for $7.98. That's a pretty good price for Chosen Foods. We got 2 of the bread and 1 of the organic snow peas. And the total here, after my credits, the original total was $84.13 plus shipping, and then I had $40 in credits because a lot of you guys use my code, and thank you for that. It saves you money if you want to try Misfits too. There is a link in the description down below. If you want to try Misfits, you get $10 or $20. I can't remember what it is, but it says it down in the description. You get that off your order, and if you click through the link, your first order. And then I get a little something too, which of course helps me out and helps me bring these videos to you. So the total, complete bottom line total, was $48.63. And even with the mistakes, I feel like this was worth way more than that. If I had gone to Whole Foods and bought all this stuff, it probably would have cost me over $100 easily. What do you guys think? How much would all of this cost at Whole Foods? Or let me know in the comments down below what your favorite grocery store is and what you think this would cost at your local store that you like to shop in. But also, let me know what your favorite store is. And if you have a different produce service that you like to use for organic produce, leave that in the comments down below, because if you've found one I haven't found yet, I'd love to hear about it. And if you haven't caught my new series of videos yet, I'm doing nutrition videos all month for National Nutrition Month, and we've got one on protein, one on carbs, one on sports nutrition. The food label one I mentioned earlier is coming, as is water and hydration and fat. Those are all coming at you this month for National Nutrition Month. So make sure, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell right next to it so that you never miss a video. I do unboxings like this at least once a week, and then I put up at least 2 other videos every week as well. And you don't want to miss any of them because my videos are pretty fun, if I do say so myself. Oh, and I almost forgot. I also have my protein-packed breakfast recipe guide, which is completely free. There's a link to that in the description down below too, but you can also just go to aimeericca.com/freebies and get your copy right there. There's lots of other stuff on that page too, and you don't have to just pick one. You can get as many of those things as you'd like, as my gift to you for watching this video. That's all for now. I will see you real soon. This is Amy. Thank you for watching. Bye.